36 says that Renee's decorating service recommends a border around the tops of the four walls in the dining room. So again, we have a rectangle. Alright? What is so funny about a rectangle?
I was laughing because Ben thought it was funny too.
I thought it was
Alright.
funny too.
And here it says it says that the length is 3 feet longer than the width. Again, it doesn't tell us what the width is, but it tells us that the length is 3 feet longer. Okay, and then it tells us, let me finish reading that and try not to laugh, but it says find the dimensions of the room if the border of the room is 54 feet. So again, what we're going to do is we're looking at the perimeter. So we're going to say x plus x plus 3 plus x plus 3 should equal 54. So we end up with 4x plus 6 is equal to 54. We're going to subtract 6 from both sides. Cancel this. We get 4x equals 48. And we're going to divide by 4. And we're going to say x is equal to 12. Okay? Now, is that the whole thing? No. They wanted the dimensions of the room. We only have the width. So the dimensions of the room is 12 by 12 plus, 12 plus, that's a plus sign, we'll just start over. 12 plus 3, which is equal to 15. So the dimensions of the room are 12 by 15 feet. That's the answer. And you have to be careful, like when you do this on an ACT type problem. Sometimes they'll give you a problem, you get excited because you go, oh great, x equals 12, and you're all pumped up because you got an answer. And you look on the ACT and it'll say A, x equals 0, B, x equals 12, C, width equals 12, length equals 15. And technically the question that they asked us was, what is the dimension of the room? Or they might even have it something like this, D 12 times 15. Well, if we look at this and we get excited, we'll go, oh, that's B. So we always, when we get done doing one of these story problems, we always want to go back and read the question and make sure our answer answers the question. Right? It's not enough just to do the math. We got to make sure that this answer answered the question. If it doesn't, then we got to do a little more work. Yes, question?
Well, because you have 12 times 12 by 15 up there.
Yes, it could be both C or D. I was just making the illustration is that sometimes you guys get excited and you go, oh, it's 12, boom, and you circle it in. But that's not necessarily the answer to the question. It's part of the math, but that's not the answer to the question.